Imagine stepping into a world where luxury meets mobility, where every mile feels like a five-star vacation, and where the road itself becomes your personal red carpet. If you've ever dreamed of traveling in style without sacrificing comfort, then stay with me, because what I'm about to show you will completely change the way you think about motorhomes. For the next few minutes, you're going to see something so futuristic, so luxurious, and so breathtaking that you'll want to watch until the very end. Welcome to this luxurious motorhomes YouTube channel. I'm so glad you're here, because today we're diving into one of the most advanced and elegant creations in the world of mobile living. This masterpiece is called the Toyota Previent Motorhome, and trust me, it's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement. Toyota has always been known for reliability and innovation, but with the Previant, they've taken things to a whole new level. This is not just about getting from point A to point B. This is about redefining what it means to live, travel, and experience the open road. Let's start with the exterior, because the moment you see the Toyota Previent, you know it's something special. The body is sleek, futuristic, and aerodynamic, with smooth metallic curves that catch the light in the most cinematic way. The panoramic windows stretch across the sides, giving it a modern architectural feel. The LED lighting accents add a touch of elegance, glowing like jewelry at night. The massive stylized wheels are not just functional, they're part of the design language, making the entire motorhome look like it belongs in the future. And yes, it's a two-story motorhome, with an external staircase leading to an upper deck lounge. Imagine parking this beauty at a scenic spot and walking up to enjoy the view from your private rooftop terrace. That's the kind of luxury we're talking about. Now let's step inside, because the interior is where the Toyota Previant truly shines. The first stop is the TV lounge area. This isn't just a lounge, it's a cinematic experience on wheels. As you walk down the curved staircases that descend gracefully from both sides, you're greeted by a cozy yet luxurious space. At the center front wall, a large flat-screen TV is mounted, proudly displaying the Toyota logo with text, reminding you of the brand's prestige. The lounge is filled with plush leather sofas, stylish coffee tables, and ambient LED lighting that sets the perfect mood. Glass railings on the upper level add a futuristic touch, while every detail, from the decor to the reflections, feels like it belongs in a luxury lifestyle magazine. This is the kind of place where you can relax with family, watch a movie, or simply enjoy the ride in absolute comfort. From the lounge, let's move into the bedroom. And let me tell you, this is not your typical RV bedroom. The Toyota Previent's bedroom feels like a suite in a five-star hotel. A king-size bed with a premium leather headboard takes center stage, surrounded by soft ambient lighting and panoramic side windows that let in natural light. Built-in storage keeps everything organized, while designer side tables and modern lamps add elegance. On the wall, a sleek flat-screen TV once again displays the Toyota logo, seamlessly integrated into the decor. The bedding is plush, the atmosphere is cozy, and the entire space whispers luxury. This is the kind of bedroom where you don't just sleep, you recharge in style. Next up is the open kitchen area, and this is where functionality meets design. The kitchen is compact yet fully equipped, with a premium refrigerator that proudly carries the Toyota logo on its front. The sink features a modern chrome faucet, while open shelves display neatly arranged dishes, glasses, and cookware. A stylish dining table with luxury chairs sits nearby, already set with freshly served food. The lighting is warm, the metallic accents shine, and the panoramic windows make the space feel open and inviting. It's the perfect place to cook, dine, and share moments on the road. Of course, no luxury motorhome is complete without a bathroom, and the Toyota Previant delivers with a mini toilet that feels like it belongs in a five-star hotel. The washroom features marble flooring, glossy wall panels, and ambient LED strip lighting. A modern wall-mounted toilet with chrome fittings, a designer sink with a large mirror, and neatly arranged towels on elegant shelves make this space both functional and luxurious. It's compact, yes, but it never compromises on style. Now let's head to the driver cockpit, because this is where the journey begins. The cockpit of the Toyota Previent is a masterpiece of technology and design. The wide panoramic windshield offers a breathtaking view of the road ahead, turning every drive into a cinematic experience. The driver's seat is a luxury leather captain's chair, paired with a high-tech steering wheel and digital dashboard displays. Ambient lighting, chrome accents, and futuristic curves tie the cockpit seamlessly to the rest of the motorhome's design, and with the outdoor scenery visible through the glass, every mile feels like an adventure. So that covers the interior. But let's circle back to the exterior and talk about performance, price, and what makes this motorhome truly stand out. The Toyota Previent is not just about looks. It's built with advanced engineering that ensures smooth handling and reliable performance. While Toyota hasn't officially released all the specs, concept models suggest a powerful engine capable of delivering both speed and efficiency. You can expect a comfortable cruising speed on highways with fuel efficiency that's impressive for a vehicle of this size. The price? Well, luxury like this doesn't come cheap. Estimates place the Toyota Previent in the high-end market, competing with the most exclusive motorhomes in the world. But when you consider the design, the technology, the comfort, and the prestige of owning something this unique, it's worth every penny. At the end of the day, the Toyota Previent motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement of luxury, innovation, and freedom. It's about traveling without limits, living without compromise, and experiencing the world in a way that only a few can. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way through. If you enjoyed this tour of the Toyota Previent motorhome, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and most importantly, drop a comment below with the name of your favorite motorhome. Who knows? Your suggestion might be the star of our next video. Until then, this is Luxurious Motorhome signing off. See you in the next one, and for now, goodbye.